Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into a super useful trick inside ChatGPT Canvas, which is how to instantly switch between different tones, mainly casual and formal ones in your writing. So whether you're drafting a professional email or just trying to sound more relaxed in any sort of writing form, so just knowing how to adjust tone just in one click or a few prompts can save you tons of time and help you nail the exact vibe you're going for. So before we dive in, make sure to check the pinned comment below for further helpful guide and additional prompts just to help you out along the way. All right, let's get started. So right here, we can go with the most direct one using a custom prompt. And what we're gonna do here, let's say, how about we go with this specific section or paragraph right here that you want to rewrite. Once it's selected, just go with this one. As you'll see, the Ask ChatGPT option pops up. Go ahead and click it. Boom. All right. And you can type any prompt you like. Just make sure you want to change the tone in that section right there. Here's mine. There we go. I'd say make this paragraph in a formal tone. Okay. How about I make it more formal tone? All right. I just adjusted this one. Let's click send. Here is the previous one. And now we're going to see how it's going to change. See right here, it just changes with that paragraph right here. Okay. And let me show you the comparison. So it says here, this will be an important opportunity to discuss our current progress, upcoming goals, and any questions or concerns that need to be addressed. Please come prepared with any relevant updates or materials pertaining to your respective areas. And now with the green highlighted one, or let me just click this off, it says here, this meeting will serve as a valuable occasion to review our ongoing progress, outline forthcoming objectives, and address any pertinent okay, inquiries or concerns. Kindly ensure you are prepared with all relevant updates or documentation related to your respective areas of responsibility. So you can notice the different words there and how it's enunciated. With everything, it felt more complex, and you can expect with those business documents. So right here, and also if you wanted to tone down, do the same thing. There we go. I would type rewrite this to be, let's see, more casual. Okay. In tone. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. My A key is broken. So yeah, you get the point. Rewrite this to be more casual in tone. Okay. Remember, just hit send, or you can just press enter. There we go. And now you'll see how it's going to be toned down right here. There we go. And now this says this meeting's a great chance for us to catch up on what everyone's working on, chat about what's coming up next, and clear up any questions. See, it's more casual, yet a bit more understanding to the broader readers to read this. Just feel free to bring any updates or materials you think will be helpful to share. Boom. In anything from back and forth, from earlier with the formal and now with the casual, tone just shifted in seconds. And you can feel free to tweak it again, just as easily. See? Easy. Okay, now that you've seen how to shift tone with a simple prompt, now going by the same method, you can actually get more specific depending on how you want to sound. So for example, say let's keep up with this one, the professional email to like schedule a meeting. You can ask ChatGPT with this option still right here. Either you want to make it more persuasive, like this one, or concise. Let's go with concise first and see how it went from this one to how ChatGPT would refine this one to make it exactly concise. Okay, let me send this off. We'll see how it differs. It might take a second. There we go. Here. Okay. Go. Yep. All right. So here is the final result for that. Make it concise. We have a meeting with boss name on Friday afternoon at, see, straight to the point. There we go. More concise. However, if you want it like more persuasive, here is the other prompt I would like to show you. Like this. Okay, persuasive, rephrase it, send this off. See, just focus on this section right here. All right. See, it's changed. It added up a few more words, yet right here it's persuasive. Like, please make it a priority to join our meeting with, on Friday afternoon at time, location, or platform, as it will be key to aligning our efforts and moving forward effectively. Also, aside from that, there is another one I would like to ask, like this. Ask ChatGPT. There we go. And for this one, I would like ChatGPT to add warmth while keeping it professional. See, another specificity with this prompt. And here's the before, with how persuasive it is. And now with this one, keeping it professional, add warmth to it. Okay. There we go. Here it is. See right here? Much more different this time. Read, I warmly encourage you to join our meeting with on Friday afternoon at time, location, as it will be an important opportunity to connect, align our goals, and continue making great progress together. See, this particular part right here, like that adds to like how it would resonate to the ones reading this part from this email right here. So these kinds of prompts let you fine tune your tone beyond just casual or formal. It's just about finding the right tone for the right purpose. So why don't you try experimenting with prompts like the ones I just showed you? You'll be amazed at how flexible it is. So there we go. Before we get to the last one, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, everybody. Now that we've covered the bases on using this feature and go all the specifics with the prompts just to adjust the tone with the sentences or the paragraphs, there is another way without the reliance of typing a prompt. It is optional, not really relying on tone exactly, but this could be helpful, and that is through adjusting the reading level. Okay, so here, just go down here in the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. You can see here in the middle, reading level. There we go. Just feel free to adjust. If you wanted to tone down a bit of the wording, it really is as close to adjusting the tone that is. So here's the current one. Let me go select like one. Okay, let's go with this one. Let me know if you have any conflicts with the proposed time or if there's anything specific you would like to add to the agenda. Okay, so why don't we adjust that? Let's go with, you want it like more professional, like on the higher reading level. We could tone that up a bit. There we go. And let's click that one. I already selected that part. Yes, that is possible instead of just the whole thing. All right. See? There we go. Now, let me show you the comparison for the previous one and the new one. Okay. So here it is. Let me know if you have any conflicts, just like I read earlier. In this one, let me read it to you. If you can't make it at the scheduled time or have any ideas you think should be talked about in the meeting, just let me know. See right here, it's very quick, intuitive, and perfect if you're fine-tuning it with just a few or just a click for that specific audience. See? It just instantly rewrite that content to match that with what you adjusted by sliding. Hold on, let me show you by sliding this one, the reading level, up and down. There we go. It's all the more helpful. And just feel free if you're willing to use that feature right here to adjust that wording or that tone. So, yep, that is about it on guiding you with changing the tone using the ChatGPT canvas. So let me know in the comments below what you think overall and how would that help you. In any case, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!